So today I'm going to share with you all how to transform from a social media advertising noob to a social media advertising pro instantly, as easy as ABC. In this world, there's instant noodle, there's instant coffee, but today I'm going to share with you all instant social media advertising pro. But the difference is instant noodle you add water can already. But to become a social media advertising pro, you need to add CCA. What is CCA? CCA stands for Creative, Copywriting, and Advertisement Management for your social media. Is CCA very hard to master? I can tell you no. Nope. Because look at me. I have no prior experience in marketing and I'm able to do CCA. We start from the first C. We talk about creative. Talking about this, do you really need to hire a creative marketing agency to help you in your creative? Or the other option, you hire a creative guy, give you a salary to help you do all the creative on social media. For a business to grow, right, you don't really need to spend much money on hiring a creative staff or to engage a creative agency at the start. Why? Because you don't have so much cash flow. But then, is it very hard to master creative? Not really. You must always remember, creative is all about keys. This key stand for keep it simple and stupid. What do you mean by keep it simple and stupid? Make sure that your creative are able to portray the message that you want. Look at all these examples. Yeah, so look at all these examples. They are simple and yet, to me, they are stupid.
What?
Why stupid? Because the creative is relatable. People understand it, and it's so simple that the most stupidest people can understand what I'm trying to say on all these creative. All these creative have track record. They help to garner leads at very cheap cost. For creative itself, you don't really need to hire creative staff with knowledge in Adobe Photoshop, because nowadays the internet is so advanced, you can use free programs such as Canva.com to create. Like using Canva.com, you can easily create artwork. They even have template for you. So I learned an important lesson. A business can avoid spending enormous amount of money hiring the wrong creative staff or wrong creative agency, okay? And you can even avoid the stress. So talking about this, I'm going to the next C, which I talk about copywriting. So talking about copywriting, same thing. Do you need to hire a writer in your company just to write for your social media posts? Or do you really need to hire a copywriting agency to help you write all the copies of your social media? Because when we talk about social media, there's one kind of copywriting you must know. That kind of copywriting is called the persuasive copywriting, whereby you write to persuade people. This one, copywriting skill, you need a little bit, but mainly you need the exaggerating skill. What do you mean by exaggerating skill? Because you are persuading someone to do something, so you must exaggerate your content. How to exaggerate your content? I have a template for you. And the template is called ANS. A, we talk about adjectives. N, we talk about numbers. S, we talk about synonym. So talking about the A, we talk about adjective. So adjective are the word to describe a noun. Take for example, he is a strong man. She is a powerful woman. So you see the words powerful is adjective, strong is an adjective. So instead of we just use the common adjective, we add in the strength to make the adjective become stronger. Like take for example, I am an extremely strong man. Instead of strong, we talk about extremely strong. He is a powerful man. He is an incredibly powerful man. So this is example of stronger adjective. The N, we talk about numbers, because people nowadays, they are very reactive to numbers. Take for example, instead of me telling you I have a way to help you lose weight, I tell you I have 10 ways to help you lose weight. Instead of I telling you I have 10 ways of helping you lose weight, I tell you I have 10 ways to help you lose weight as much as 20 kg. So you see the numbers. Does numbers create emotion? Yes, it is, because people are reactive to numbers. So if you are doing an investment program, instead of telling people that they can profit, you tell them they can profit by 200%. So I'm talking about the other one called the S, synonym. So instead of using certain words, you can use synonym. Synonym means words that are similar to another words. Take for example, she's beautiful. I say that she's gorgeous. So gorgeous and beautiful, which one is stronger? Definitely gorgeous is stronger. So talking about this, right, if you have to write a copywriting, make sure you add in the persuasive element, which is ANS. Okay, so I'm going to share with you the last part of CCA, which is A, the advertisement management for your social media marketing. As you know, when I talk about social media, I'm always talking about Facebook and IG. We normally manage advertisement through this thing called the Facebook Ad Manager. So Facebook Ad Manager itself, right, you can actually set your objective, set your targeting, then after that, right, you can run your advertisement on social media itself. Definitely, there are certain skill set to it. Advertisement management is about OTC. OTC stand for what? The O, we talk about objective. For an ad manager, you have to set your objective, what you want to achieve. You want to achieve engagement, you want to achieve leads, or you want to achieve impression. So you have to set this before set your advertisement. T, we talk about targeting. The good thing about social media is you can target your audience based on age, gender, their interest, even their location or their device. So talking about C, C is the copy. Copy, we talk about you upload your creative, you upload your copywriting, and you are ready for your social media advertisement. Because end of the day, what we want to achieve in social media advertising is not to become a social media advertising noob, but to become a social media advertising pro. But is it easy? Definitely it's easy, because if I can do it, you can do it also. So if you like this video, you can like, share and comment. So I see you at the next video.